What is the length of the blue line? Label points B, C, D, E, and G. Line B, C equals line E, D which equals to 3 units. It is because the opposite side lengths of a rectangle are equal. By trigonometric identity, tan 2 times alpha equals to 2 times tan alpha all divided by 1 minus the square of tan x. We call it equation 1. From triangle EDC, line ED divided by line C, D equals to 3 divided by 4 which equals tan 2 times alpha. It follows that substitute equation 1. It implies that 3 divided by 4 equals 2 times tan alpha, all divided by 1 minus the square tan alpha. Let tan alpha equals y. Hence, 3 divided by 4 equals 2 times y, all divided by 1 minus the square of y. Cross multiply and we have that 3 minus 3 times the square of y equals 8 times y. Rearrange terms. And we have that the sum of 3 times the square of y and 8 times y minus 3 equals to 0. Factorize and simplify to obtain that the product of y plus 3 and 3 times y minus 1 equals to 0. Either the sum of y and 3 equals 0 or 3 times y minus 1 equals 0. It follows that y equals negative 3 or 1 divided by 3. But tan alpha equals y which equals to negative 3 or 1 divided by 3. This implies that tan alpha is not equals to negative 3 as alpha is an acute angle. It signifies that tan alpha equals to 1 divided by 3. By trigonometric identity, the sum of 1 and the square of tan x equals the reciprocal of the square of cosine alpha. Substitute values and we have that the sum of 1 and the square of 1/3 equals 1 divided by the square of cosine alpha. Simplify so that 1 divided by the square of cosine alpha equals 10 divided by 9. Cross multiply. The square of cosine alpha equals 9 divided by 10. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that cosine alpha equals 3 divided by the square root of 10. After simplification, we call it equation 1. From triangle GBC, line B, C divided by line C, G equals cosine alpha. Then, substitute values of equation 1 and line B, C into it. It implies that It implies that 3 divided by line C, G equals to 3 divided by the square root of 10. Cross multiply and we have that line C, G equals the product of 3 times the square root of 10, all divided by 3 which equals to the square root of 10. Therefore, the length of the blue line equals to 10 units.